Hello third graders, this is Mrs. Copeland and I'm a math teacher in Charlotte-Mecklenburg Schools. I'm going to be helping you with third grade memory joggers. Let's take a look at week 9, day 3, problem C. Use the diagrams to identify two equivalent fractions. We have several things to remember. The numerator represents the number of equal parts the problem is referring to. The denominator represents the total number of equal parts. In this example, there are 6 equal parts and 5 are shaded, so it's recorded as 5/6. Equivalent fractions are two fractions with different numerators and denominators, but both refer to the same amount. 3/4 is the same amount as 6/8, even though they have different numerators and denominators. Use the diagrams to identify two equivalent fractions. When we look at this, we can see that the first fraction is 2/3. So if we think of this in terms of thirds, that's 1/3, that would be 1/3, and that would be 1/3. 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. And we can see that 2 of those 1/3 pieces, or 2/3, are shaded. But what if we were to partition the same shape where the dotted line is? And now we have 6 equal parts, and 4 of those equal parts are shaded. 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6. At the bottom, we have a number line. The top of the number line is partitioned into 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. Those are fourths. We'll begin at 0/4, where 0 is, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. The bottom of the number line is partitioned into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. So these are eighths. 0/8, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and 8/8. So this is 1, and this one is 0. Which fraction was equivalent to 1/4? We see 1/4 is at the same place on the number line as 2/8. So 1/4 and 2/8 are equivalent. Thank you, and please ask your classroom teacher if you have additional questions.